today we're going to discuss about the series. In this case, a circle is divided into 5 sectors in such a way that the angles of the sectors are in arithmetic progression. Given that the angle of the largest sector is 4 times the angle of the smallest sector, find the angle of the largest sector. Now in here, we know that the number of sector is 5. So n equals to 5. And then from the second sentence, we know that the largest sector, which is U5, equals to 4 times the first term. I mean the smallest sector, 4a. Okay, we assume that this is ascending order, yeah. Okay, so find the angle of the large sector. That is our target. Okay, so in here we don't see much clue, okay, but we should be vigilant in reading the sentence because it is mentioned this is a circle. So since we know this is a circle, the total angle of a circle is 360. So the total angle of all sectors, it will be 360. In this case, Sn. So 360 equals to, but since we know this is n equals to 5, so we don't use Sn anymore, but we use S5. So S5, okay, so n over 2, so 5 over 2 multiplied by the first plus the last. Okay, the first plus the last. Okay, so in this case we know that we can simplify into 720 equals to 25a. So a in this case equals to 144 over 5. Now look at our target. Our target is to have the U5. Okay, so our target is the U5. So U5 equals to 4 times the first term, which is in this case 144 over 5. So therefore we will get 576 over 5. Okay, next. The sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression is half n times 3n plus 7. Find the first term and the common difference of the progression. So now we know that the sum of the first n term given. So we should equate, since Sn equals to n over 2 times 3n plus 7. Okay, we can equate with the original formula. So n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times difference, common difference. And then on the right side, we just write the same thing. Maybe we put 7 first and then 3n after that, yeah. Okay, so look at the structure. Okay, since we have n over 2, so we can just equate the bracket and then the other bracket. Okay, so rewriting the bracket of the left hand side, you will have 2a minus d. Okay, we expand, yeah, and then plus dn. While on the right side we will have 7 plus 3n. Okay, so now you check the structure, you compare, you will realize that this is the only term that got n. Okay, and this also the only term that has n. Okay, so since dn will equals to n, will equals to 3n, so this means d equals to 3. Now since d equals to 3, then the other part, which is 2a minus d, equals to 7, right? So 2a minus d, which is 3, equals to 7. So therefore a equals to 5. So that's how you solve the problems. Okay, if you would like to ask, if you would like to have any question, feel free to contact me, or you can write your concern on the comment below. Hello everyone. So today we're going to discuss about series. In this case, the third term of a geometric progression is negative 108, and then sixth term is 32. Find I, the common ratio. I, the first term. Okay, let's check. In this case, u3 equals to AR square equals to negative 108, and u6, which is AR to the power of 5, equals to 32. So if you divide the two, you will get u6 over u3 equals to 32 over negative 108. So in this case, AR to the power of 5 equal divide by AR to the power of 2 equals to 32 over negative 108. This will give R to the power of 3 equal to negative 8 over 27. So this will give us R equals to negative 2 over 3. Now, since R equals to negative 2 over 3, which already answered the first question, for the second question, we can find the first term using substitution to u3. So in this case, u3 AR square equals to negative 108. Okay, you can substitute by a to the power times r to the power of 2. Negative 108. So it means negative 108 divided by 4 over 9, which is the result of the square negative 2 over 3. In this case, you will get A equals to 243. If you have another question, feel free to write the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe.